Okay, so I'm out here working on Dad's 04 2500 HD. It's getting new rear brakes, new hub seal on that side, as well as some parts up front, lower ball joints, some steering parts. But that's not what I'm showing on this video. I've showed all that on previous videos. I got a video on all that. I found something pretty interesting on this caliper. This caliper was on the passenger side. You can see the wheel has rubbed on this thing. The reason that happened was the sliders broke off. The bolts literally snapped off, and the caliper was just kind of floating there. Nothing was holding it on. Both bolts have snapped off, you can see. And this caliper, I guess, is just going wherever it wanted. These guide pins, these slide pins, or slide bolts, whatever you want to call them, this is what holds everything in place. So just thought that was kind of interesting. I've not seen that before. I don't know if when they rebuilt this they used old bolts that were faulty, or maybe they used cheaper bolts when they rebuilt it, when they put new ones in. But anyway, thought it was interesting and pretty crazy. So there's a video of it.
Down in the holler, old boy's feeling like a dog on a collar, keeping that chain pulled tight, waiting on Saturday night.